Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my weekly videos. Today we're going to be reading a book. We're going to be reading this book again. The Flood and the Ark, the story of the prophet NUH. We're in chapter 10. Let me see on that. No, there. Okay. Chapter 10. The councils call off the punishment to come. After a while, the council's leader spoke to NUH. His voice was mocking and all nasty. You go against us, NUH, in what we say. You go against us in the gods we pray to. You go against us in the way we live. If we don't change ourselves, you promise us a terrible punishment from God. Well, now, if you are a truthful man, NUH, bring us what you promised. Bring us this punishment. Before NUH could answer, the leader of the councils nodded to his soldiers, and they took their swords out ready. NUH was not afraid. He feared only God. He spoke in the same streaky voice that he always spoke in. He said to the councils, God will bring you his punishment if he wills, and when you cannot prevent it. If I give you my honest advice, but God wills to turn you away, my honest advice will not help to save you. Don't you understand? God is your Lord, and you will be returned to him. The council's leader smiled. Then he laughed out loud, a long mocking laugh. The others joined in mocking at NUH and the few believers. When the laugh died down, the councilors said, "This man is crazy, but he is harmless. Get him and his people out of here. We have nothing to worry about from them. The punishment may come or it may not. Ha ha." Then, still mocking, the soldiers pushed NUH and the believers out of the council's court. How foolish they were to mock NUH, for in doing that, they were mocking God. Welcome everyone. The end.